Good morning everyone, Mr. Fleming here and welcome to today's maths lesson. In this maths lesson we are going to be looking at adding equal groups and this is the sort of the steps that we take in order to start looking at multiplication, because you can say that multiplication is repeated addition, which is just looking at equal groups and adding them together. So, as a bit of a warm-up, can we look at these three questions here? So, the first one's getting us to look at and see if we can sort of recognize what an equal group is. What does equal mean? Number two is looking at is asking you to draw some equal groups. And then it's looking at number three is sort of more, it's looking at what we're actually going to be doing in today's lesson, because it's going to be looking at the total of circles that you have drawn.